Hey everyone, it's Kat from The Physical Evolution. Thank you for joining me for another Monday makeover video. Today's topic is the headstand and why you should be practicing it every single day. Starting the day with a headstand is probably one of the most rejuvenating things you can ever do for yourself. If you think about it, logically it makes so much sense. You are turning yourself upside down, so all of the blood in your body is rushing to your head. And that immediately sparks up your brain and increases circulation to these upper parts of the body. This has a profound benefit for the skin as well. It gives you an incredible instant glow. And some people say that if you practice it regularly enough, it actually reduces the appearance of wrinkles. I'm not going to say that that's true, but I am going to say that every time I do a headstand, I come out of it, my face is a little bit flushed, and when the blood flow goes back to normal, I do feel like I look a little bit more vibrant, maybe a little bit younger, maybe a little bit hotter, who knows. So you find your reasons to practice it, but that's definitely one of the benefits that I experience for myself. Added to that, it helps with mental acuity. If you're feeling stressed out, if you've got writer's block, if you're a writer, or any kind of like mental blockage, standing on your head for a few minutes will help relieve that because of the increased blood flow to your brain. It's really good for your heart as well, because all of the blood in the lower extremities of the body is now being pumped to the heart. The heart doesn't have to work as hard as it normally does to pump blood throughout the body. And it's really good for your digestive system too. So maybe if you've had like a really heavy meal, or you haven't been eating too healthily lately and you feel like you're really bogged down and you're really sluggish, standing on your head could also help like shift food along your digestive system, release trapped gases, all of that sort of thing. So it has profound, intense, amazing benefits for you. Added to that, it's an incredible workout for your shoulders and your back. Really good strengthening exercise for your neck. If you have a weak neck, practice this with caution, please, because I'm going to show you how to do a headstand at home. It's really easy, but you're going to have to take it step by step. Please, I urge you to listen to your body. Don't just go flying into it thinking that you can go from zero to hero in no time. Whilst I do encourage that kind of thinking, just going balls to the wall, you really do need to play it safe because of the fact that your neck is involved. And if you've got a weak neck, it could be problematic. So getting into headstand is really easy. You just need a lot of core strength and you need to find the right distribution of weight. And that's what I'm going to show you now. So to start with, if you are beginner, you're going to do it against a door or a wall. Okay, so you would take this position, excuse my bum, you'd be doing it from this angle, okay? You can try with me, even if you haven't tried it before. I would like you to kind of get the feeling of the rocking and the distribution of weight. So roll out your yoga mat. You're going to come down onto your knees. You're going to create a little basket with your hands. Let me actually just come closer to show you. This little basket is clasping your hands together like this and creating a lock, okay? And you can see I've got this nice triangle here with my forearms. That is going to be the base of your headstand. That does not move. That stays still throughout the entire pose. So that's a lot of work focusing on that alone. So that's the first step, is to create your basket, to place it on your mat, and to focus on keeping that in place. Now you're going to tuck your head in, the crown of your head, the tippy top, right inside that basket there, okay? That is your first step. Once you're comfortable in this position, you're going to come up onto your toes, kind of into downward dog. Now this can be the pose for you if you are a beginner. You already feel that there's pressure on your neck. If you do feel a little bit more comfortable, you're going to walk your feet towards your bodies, engage your core, and feel this rocking motion here. You're on the top of your head, you're using your core to stabilize, and you almost feel like you're going to roll over backwards, okay? But you're stopping yourself from rolling over backwards using your core strength. That is the stage 2. So if you feel a little bit more comfortable to take it further than stage 1, take it to that point, rock a little bit backwards and forwards, feel the use of the core and how the core is stabilizing you. If you're comfortable with that, you're going to take it to the next level. Again, make your little basket, place it firmly on the mat, place your head inside the basket, come up onto your toes, walk forward, lift one foot up, If that feels comfortable, lift the other foot and let your core do the work and hold it here. You don't need to go any further than this. You can hold it here for as long as you want. You're already in an inverted pose. You're already in a headstand. You're just tucked over. And it's a lot more comfortable because in the moment you extend your legs up, your center of gravity changes. And that makes you waver a little bit. Okay, so make sure that you're 100% comfortable in that space before you start extending your legs up, and extend them slowly. Take it one little step at a time. Okay, so we're going to take it to the next level. My feet might be cut off by the video. Hang on. Let's just move this. It's getting all up in your face. Okay, next step. Taking it all the way, creating the basket. Right? Firmly planted on the ground. Your head is inside the basket, up onto your tippy toes. Walk it until you feel like you're about to tip over. One foot up, other foot up. Get comfortable here. And then slowly extend up. And here you are in full Sirsasana or headstand. You find your breath. You find your center. And you just hold it for as long as you comfortably can. When you're ready to come out, you can bend your legs back down the same way that you went up, or you can come down one leg at a time and come out of headstand that way. And immediately you're going to feel that amazing glow. You're going to feel revived and rejuvenated. You're going to feel like you've actually just done a workout, when in actual fact you've just turned yourself upside down. And sometimes it is really good to just get a totally different perspective on life to change the way that your day is going. I hope that this little tip helped you. Shoot me any questions that you may have. I am here to connect with you and chat with you. I love it when you reach out. So hit me up. I'm here. See you next week. Mwah.